ఇచ్చాను సార్, బట్ మేడం నాట్ రెస్పాండ్.
Okay. Anyway, again I will give the same number only. I will give the message to Purnama madam. Then he will, actually she is busy with some network. That is the reason she may not accept your queries. Anyway, she is the one and only person accepting your queries. Definitely she will rectify that one. Okay. Just I will give
Good
the
evening,
same
sir.
mobile number once again. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Tell me. Good evening.
Sir, I am Lavanya. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Yeah, sir. Actually, two of my colleagues were interested, so they are interested to join in the PhD course in CSC department. So
Just check the message in chat box, copy and paste, and follow that procedure
okay.
strictly.
No, sir, they have a doubt that those who are taking an exam online tomorrow or 19th or 20, will they come in the same in our batch, or they will be
No,
joining?
same batch only. That's why I'm asking.
That's
Otherwise,
why
why?
they are also having some doubts.
Yeah.
They are my
Same batch
colleagues
only.
too.
Good evening, sir.
No. Already I have clearly mentioned this is the admission for your colleagues and friends only. Your
Okay,
close. This is not open admission.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, my colleagues, they try to call you, sir, but phone is showing not reachable, sir, today morning.
No. That's why I have given clear message in chat box. Just check it.
Yes, sir.
You simply
sir,
copy. You simply
the
copy
completion
that. Wait. Simply copy that message and pass that message to your friends or colleagues. They should follow. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
After the completion of application, sir, please. After the completion of application, they need to pay remaining 5,000 just day before and day after tomorrow, Friday, sir.
Wait. I will explain once again. Miss, you know very well how to apply through portal. So
Yes,
your friends will apply the same procedure by paying 1,000 rupees, and after completion they will get application number. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So by
Yes.
using that application number and the name of the candidate, they need to pay 4,000 rupees in SRU campus offline.
Offline on day after tomorrow, 16th.
Day after tomorrow. Then send that application and payment receipts to my mail ID. Already I have given. Okay. So no need to call me again and again. Simply
Okay,
follow
sir.
that procedure. Yeah, that is it.
Okay.
Because we are busy with many things. No, suppose
Okay, pleasure.
you don't know about my situation. I am receiving 500 calls every day from you people.
Yes, sir.
Not only
Yes.
you know. Already I have 1,000 scholars under PhD department.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Just how you are expecting I should attempt your call. That is a big
Yes, sir.
deal.
Yes.
That's why I have given
Good evening,
a
sir.
message. Just a minute. I am giving the same message once again. You can pass that message to your colleagues and friends. Tomorrow is the last date. Fee payment last date is on Friday. We will conduct entrance exam and interview through online only on Monday or Tuesday. So time is over. Samay sir, you can take the session.
Excuse me, sir. Hello?
Samay sir, take the session. Okay, right.
Yeah. Good evening, all. Yeah, this is.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yesterday we discussed about.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Today we discuss
evening,
about classification of literature review. In that only we discuss about two important reviews. One is a narrative review, and the second one is the systematic review. Narrative review we discuss about many examples like a mental health and social media, how people are, literature and copyrights, everything comes under the narrative review. Yeah. So now, advancement in cancer treatment, climate change and agriculture practices, educational technology in K-12 schools, and the evolution of consumer behavior in the digital age, the role of genetics in personalized medicine, historical perspectives on public health interventions, and these are some of the narrative reviews we discussed yesterday. And the second one is the systematic review. And here is only structured and systematic way. And most of the things is a practical or experimental things comes under the systematic review. That is examples also we discussed yesterday. That is performance of different materials in concrete mixes and advancement in renewable energy technologies and effectiveness of machine learning algorithms in predictive maintenance and impact of building energy management systems on energy efficiency and sustainable practices in water resource management. The performance and reliability of wireless sensor networks in smart cities. And these are we left over yesterday, but today we discuss about
Ninth one, sir. Till 8 point we have discussed.
Yeah, sorry, ninth one. Yeah, energy efficiency in HVAC systems and analysis of safety systems in autonomous vehicles. This is a very mostly closed HVAC system. You know, refrigeration and air conditioning today is one of the burning issues for energy efficiency because a lot of energy is consumed, power is consumed in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. So the example is energy efficiency in HVAC systems to evaluate methods and technologies for improving energy efficiency in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. So to review that systematic review on various HVAC technologies and practices, including advanced controls, heat recovery systems, and energy efficient equipment, and analyze their impact on energy consumption and operational cost and indoor air quality. So these all are systematic way. If you are doing a research to get the power saving, power consumption is how to reduce. Today's the power is the biggest issue in many countries.
Sir, your voice is breaking. We can't hear you. A lot of disturbance, sir.
Okay, madam.
No, madam, there is no disturbance. No disturbance. No problem.
No disturbance, sir. It's clear.
Everything is
no
clear,
disturbance, sir. That is for her.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Now, that's what today one of the most research is going on in thermal efficiency, how to control the air temperature and air quality. So these are the systematic is highly impact on the social and burning issue also. Current research is people are doing a lot of research. I will tell you one example here. One professor from IIT Hyderabad, in very olden days, they are using mitti, that is a soil, pure soil, which is collected from the well and resources. That is the soil is a hard soil. They are used to construct the huts. Huts is constructed only based on the soil. Even there is no bricks also. They are only the natural soil they are used to construct the walls. And very, very big construction of olden days they are used to do this. Because no such cement in olden days, 60, 100 years back, there is no any cement method. But now we are using heavily cement utilization. This is a binding agent. But olden days, the binding agent is the natural clay. We called in Telugu Bankamandu. So this soil, they are effectively used to construct the walls. And when the heat is touch the wall in the summer, then automatically the heat is transmitted through the walls and it is getting cooled. And only the inside the hut, only the temperature is outside and inside is a lot of difference is there. And there are no fans also in olden days. The people are sleeping very well without any difficulty. No power also. And natural in the evening, they used to spend a lot of time in the in front of the house, in front of the hut. These all are, yes, one professor from IIT Hyderabad in a civil engineering, he developed in a olden technology. In the wall, they are constructed walls, but in the middle portion is completely empty, and they used to fill all the thermocoals and other thermal resistance materials they filled. And natural soil also they are used. So without air conditioning, AC, now his room is completely without fan and without AC. So he is one model is designed for that. I think many people who saw in the article. And we dive in the IIT Hyderabad, the innovation in the civil engineering application that also comes. Yes, that is a systematic way that people are doing effective research for getting the lot of inputs or lot of research results for the social benefit. So that's one of the, that's for the today refrigerators, air conditioning system, all are most power consume devices. But how the effectiveness or power losses, how to reduce the power consumption, that is a big issue. Now people are doing a lot of research in that area. Now, 10th one is analysis of safety systems in autonomous vehicles. Yes, systematic review or systematic research is required to address this problem. And that's for to assess the safety systems and technologies implemented in autonomous vehicles. Yeah, you know this is independent autonomous vehicles, how the systematic review studies on safety features of autonomous vehicles such as collision avoidance systems, sensor fusion, and machine learning algorithms for real-time decision making. And all, I think today you saw one article yesterday that CM Revanth Reddy is in the USA, I think, or in South Korea, is sitting in the car, driverless car, is completely automation system and lot of requirements, lot of we call machine learning algorithms are used to develop lot of automation system inside. So that's what there is a very important issue today. Driverless car, how is effective, and a lot of innovations are. That's what this comes under the systematic review, because experimental results. That results is useful for the society, useful for the technology, to technology for the people. That's what we discussed. Systematic review. Now, third one is meta-analysis. That is another review. Meta-analysis is a statistical technique that combines the results of multiple studies on the same topic to derive overall conclusions. So this is the many engineering applications we are used. The meta-analysis is we do the meta-analysis for effectiveness of various seismic design codes, and many researchers, there are different construction materials under various loading conditions also they are considered for this. This is we will discuss slowly one by one. What are the examples under this? That's what purpose for the meta-analysis is to provide a quantitative summary of research findings and assesses the strength of evidence through statistical analysis. So as per the analysis, we have to do this, we have to do the research kind of activities, and this review is also very, very important to conduct the further experiments. Meta-analysis in engineering research is used to synthesize findings from multiple studies to provide a more comprehensive understanding of various engineering applications and innovations. That's what it's a multiple studies. We have to find out to provide more comprehensive understanding of various engineering applications. This is very important. Here now you see some of the examples of structural engineering. This is seismic design. Is purely a meta-analysis could be conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of various seismic design codes and retrofitting techniques for enhancing the earthquake resilience of buildings. Yes, this is analysis very, very important for earthquake, enhancing the earthquake resilience of the building. So, resilience is, what do you mean by to get some resistance under different loading conditions? By combining data from multiple studies on different retrofitting methods, researchers can determine which technique provides the best protection against seismic events. So, dear friends, this is the one of the analysis is required to analyze the earthquake, then earthquake and its related issues. And another example in structural engineering is material performance. Also, we have to study. So, researchers must use meta-analysis to assess the performance of different construction materials. That's what I said today. I said just before in one example to construct the wall. And today hexagonal bricks inside the holes, there are many holes are there in one brick. Hexagonal holes are there. That is the one of the latest innovation to airflow or outside, because there is one of the system to reduce the air inside the room, because that certainly when the air is touch the wall, that air is not passed into the things, then inside air is totally heated up. Then we need air conditioning to reduce the temperature, that are heat condition. So that's what power consumption is more. But now today, hollow hexagonal bricks now is used in the market today. I saw in a many construction field, instead of cement brick, now they are using, that is in a red color. So earlier, we called that the construction of the houses with this material, ceramic material, natural ceramic material. They are burned in at some temperature and used. In a Telugu, it's called in the villages Bengaluru Guna, which is completely they developed with the natural soil as well as the artificial soil. So there are two kinds of materials that are used for the construction of the houses. So here is today the market right now is almost Bengaluru is gone, natural ceramic is gone, huts is gone, and all cement structures are and a lot of inside the people. A lot of changes happened in every human being today, because environment conditions are completely polluted with the cement structure. So earlier, what we are using huts and natural soil is doesn't disturb the pollution or environmental condition. But today we are using different grades of cement. We are used that gives the even that is not allow the air into the air inside. It is tightly getting bound between the silica grains, because in the we called that is not allowed air into inside. So that's what today is getting setting for few minutes when you are sitting in the room without AC. We are unable to sit in the room.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Yeah, sorry. It's okay now?
It's okay, sir.
It's okay now? Yeah.
When you are
It's okay.
So due to
Okay.
cement
the
structure,
class, you have some little bit problem.
yeah, okay. Thank you. Due to cement structure, we are unable to sit in the room for 5 to 10 minutes today because of air is not flow inside. That is structural in the material. Lot of innovations are there in structural engineering applications today. And civil engineering, water management systems, and pavement performance. This is also require a lot of analysis on this conditions. For example, pavement performance. Meta-analysis can be applied to evaluate the performance of different types of pavement materials and construction techniques by aggregating data from studies on asphalt and concrete pavements. Researchers can provide recommendations on the most effective material for different traffic and environmental conditions. So, a lot of changes are happening in the material. But the material performance. I will tell you one more thing is today in a cement bricks they are using ash, which is waste from the power plant. So once the coal is burning, to boil the water in the boiler, then ash is collected in the NTPC or all thermal power plants. So that ash is some percentage they added in the bricks. I don't know how the properties. Maybe the waste is used. Waste is one way. Waste is used to useful material, but other way, how far it is? What is the durability of that construction of that building or bridges or dams with that material? So that also we have to see. Yeah, there are advantages and disadvantages by adding this ash into that material. So that research is also required. And water management system. A meta-analysis might assess the effectiveness of various water management strategies, such as green infrastructure or traditional stormwater systems in managing runoff or reducing the flooding. So this is also a lot of analysis required on this area, particularly civil engineering people, they know about this water management system. Yeah. So one of my known person, a known student is doing PhD in the water management system today. They're using nano materials, some nano materials they're used to refine the water, so that we can could effectively manage the water pollutants inside the system. See, some of the nanoparticles kill the bacteria in the water. See, here is I will give one more example from DRDO. One scientist is discovered, Nagabrahmam. He is the Nagabrahmam scientist from DRDO. He is discovered a new water filter device. But we have inside candles are there in the water filter. Candles is if you are coated with silver nanoparticles coated on the candle is absorb the water content. But if that candle is not killed the bacteria in the water. So that scientist, he analyzed, he coated on the candle, inside the candle material, then with the silver particles. Silver is, in a Telugu we call it. Silver particles they coated on the candle, and it is excellent material kill the bacteria in the water. But there are some materials is very close to life of the human being. One is gold, and second one is silver, third one is copper, fourth one is brass, and fifth one is bronze. These metals are very close to the human being because everywhere these 5 metals is with a human attachment, more human attachment. Today we are using steel, but in olden days these 5 metals are some economic people these are used. But poor people they are using natural ceramics. We call matti kundalu. Yes, they are used effectively for cooking food, storing food, water and everything. So that's what. But here is only people there is these all 5 metals. In Telugu we call Bangaramu, Vendi, Rangi, Ittadi, Kansu. These are the 5 elements which is very close to the human being. So that's what he quoted. That scientist Nagabrahmam is coated nano silver particles on the candle, but is killed bacteria. 100% of bacteria is killed in the water. But that technology is now banned in India. The technology is banned in India. The reason is any silver particle, nanoparticle, along with water, enter into the human body that kills the organ in the body. Any organ, functioning organ, is killed by that nano silver particle. So after experimentation tested, the technology is good, but harm to the people. Yes, In Indian government, the technology is banned. They spend money, lot of money, crores of rupees money on the technology, but the technology is harmful to the people. That's what they banned. So, lot of technology, lot of things are there in the current research activities. Really is a wonderful. Those who are habituated and passion to do the research, yes, lot of problems are there in the society right now. Today, I will tell you one in a water management system or in the water filter. Only 6 months or 5 months the batteries is only the life is. Why can't we design for a long period, many years together? Or why can't we design the battery system inside for only 6 months, 1 year or 2 years or 3 years? Because we can save the money, public money. So that is another things. Yeah. Mechanical engineering application for the meta-analysis. This is the heat transfer techniques and manufacturing processes. Researchers might conduct. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Now, heat transfer techniques. Hello.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
Sir, actually, I'm from civil engineering department. I'm having one doubt, sir. Is all.
Note down, madam. Please, your doubts note down, and at the end, we will discuss slowly. I will give 10 minutes time to discuss for the things. Okay? Yeah, please note down your doubts and ask at the end of the session. I will give 10 minutes time for only exclusively discussion. Yeah. Mechanical engineering. This is the heat transfer techniques. Research might conduct a meta-analysis to compare the efficiency of different heat transfer methods. Yeah, please mute yourself and just listen the class. Mute yourself, please. Don't make any noise. Heat transfer techniques. Researchers might conduct a meta-analysis to compare the efficiency of different heat transfer methods, such as heat exchangers, thermal coatings, or phase change materials in various industrial applications. So this is in a mechanical engineering application, the heat exchangers. A lot of analysis is required because, in the heat exchanger, we are used in engines particularly. So then when the engine is heated up, we try to cool. Earlier we used the water, but today the technology changed. We are not using any water pouring. After 1 hour or 2 hours journey in the car, earlier is olden days, we used to water filling to reduce the temperature of that heat exchanger. But today is completely air cooled. Heat exchangers are designed instead of water. Now, thermal coatings, that is also one of the effective to reduce the temperature in the heat exchangers. Phase change materials, yes, when we are exposed to the different environments, the material properties are changes. And manufacturing processes, a meta-analysis could be used to evaluate the performance and cost effectiveness of different manufacturing processes, such as additive manufacturing versus traditional subtractive methods in producing high precision components. Dear friends, this is a lot of cost effectiveness for the manufacturing techniques we design, because today we discover additive manufacturing or 3D printing process is a cost effective technology over the traditional methods. And electrical engineering applications, energy storage systems. This is a very burning system today. Is a very useful. There are many methods are discovered today. The energy storage system in your mobile also, lithium-ion batteries, from mobile applications to automobile industry, the running car and heavy vehicles, light vehicles, all now today they are used. Energy storage system, still the research is going on. This is forever, the requirement is there for the society. As long as the automobile system is used, So meta-analysis can be used to compare the performance of different energy storage technologies such as lithium-ion batteries, supercapacitors, and flow batteries across various applications, including electric vehicles and grid energy storage. So this is the smart grid system today. The people are introduced. You believe or not, smart grid is now effective. The technology effective process they are used today. And last one is renewable energy integration. Researchers might perform a meta-analysis to assess different methods for integrating renewable energy sources like solar or wind into existing power grids, evaluating factors such as cost, reliability, and efficiency. So already we discussed in the systematic review also this, and here also very important meta-analysis. Now, environmental engineering, the review, how we can connect the, this is for chemistry people, science people, and we can use pollution control technologies. Yes, a meta-analysis could evaluate the effectiveness of various pollution control technologies. What technologies we are used today? Yes, air filters, scrubbers, and catalytic converters in reducing emissions from industrial processes, or in automobile, in the car and the bike and heavy vehicle, car and bus, lorry, buses, the exhaust, how we can reduce the pollutants in that air pollution. That is also very, very important today. Analysis is required for that. And wastewater and treatment. Yes, this is the today, the Musi River in Hyderabad, people are think about, many people are complaining because that is very, very harmful water to the surrounding people. Even the getting smell from that water is also very harm because the inhalation problem. When you are living in surrounding that region, surrounding that river is getting a lot of smell, and lungs also infected with that. So then definitely some treatment is required today because every day the towns are increasing, the population in the towns are increasing, but in the villages are reduced. But earlier in the village, the wastewater is no wastewater in olden days. But today is heavily in Warangal or in Hyderabad, in every town, even every mandal headquarter also, lot of the water wastage is there here. Then, and that flow into the agricultural field. That is a very burning issue. And agricultural people also suffered a lot. Today, what we eat, the food from the vegetables, who prepare the food from the vegetables, who cultivated by this water, a lot of poisonous things are generated in the vegetables. So that's very harm to that. And wastewater treatment is very, very important. And aerospace engineering is aircraft design, space mission planning. Everywhere the meta-analysis is you can apply to evaluate the performance and safety different aircraft design configurations. Otherwise, you get a huge loss. Right. So yeah, please, Madam Geeta, Madam, please mute yourself. Yeah. Yes. So that's what. Yes, meta-analysis can be applied to evaluate the performance and safety of different aircraft design configurations such as various wing shapes or propulsion systems by synthesizing results from multiple studies and simulations. And space mission planning. Yes, these very focused and very important to the society, very important to the technology for our India. Researchers might conduct a meta-analysis to compare the effectiveness of different mission planning strategies and technologies for space exploration, such as various propulsion systems or mission architectures. So this is the very, very important mission planning strategies and technologies for space exploration. So this is also the analysis is required here. And who interested people in this area also can focus this. Then last one is In a third meta-analysis is robotics and automation, is autonomous vehicle and robotic manipulation. In each case, yes, this meta-analysis is very, very important. That research, who are working in the autonomous vehicles, yes, maybe electrical or mechanical people or electronics people who design the circuits for this. Yes, you might use meta-analysis to assess the effectiveness of various sensors and algorithms used in autonomous vehicles, such as LiDAR versus camera-based systems for navigation and obstacle detection. So, lot of today is a very, very useful research in this area. So everywhere the country requires this research today. Yeah, first one is narrative review, systematic review, second one, third one is meta-analysis review, and fourth one is the scoping review. In this, the review, a preliminary review to map the existing literature. Whatever you have selected a research topic, yes, you must conduct some preliminary survey or some preliminary results to map with the existing literature. Yes, already who done that research in the earlier or before you in the literature, you can get a lot of results. Then you have to compare whatever you collected the data, preliminary data, that should be mapped with where you are the gap. Yes, you identify the research gap between these two. Then you can start your literature. Is there close to that or more efficiency than the existing literature? Yes, you can proceed to continue your research activities. So this is there to map the existing literature on broad topic, identifying key concepts, gaps, and the extent of research. Yes, all is possible. That's what the preliminary survey or review is very, very important to compare with the existing literature. Yes, the purpose of this scoping review is to explore the breadth of literature and provide a foundation for more focused research. Yes, that's what the fundamental or basic research or review is very, very important to go into the more focused research area. This is the base for to do the in-depth of the research in the further years or in the further steps. Examples. Yes, again the structural engineering, yes, sustainable building materials. Yes, you could conduct the preliminary review here, could examine the range of research on sustainable building materials, including recycled materials, low carbon cements, and innovative composites. Here, low carbon cements are there. Why they are using low carbon cements? It's a more pollution, more the carbon is there, is hardened, that material is a brittle nature, is the wall itself is the brittle, but here is we cannot allow any air into that or no changes in the, because lot of heat is increased when you increase the carbon content in the cement. That's what there are different grade cements are there today in the market is available, including recycled materials, low carbon cements, and innovative composites. This review would identify key trends, technologies, and gaps in the research on how these materials impact sustainability and performance. Yes, this review is helpful for you, key trends, technologies, and gaps in the research on how these materials impact sustainability and long duration of the performance of the material. Yes, again, seismic resilience techniques is also very, very important in this area. The civil engineers are electronics people, they design sensor systems and all to identify and isolators and energy dissipation systems and retrofitting methods for identifying these earthquake activities in the building. Civil engineering, smart transportation systems. Yes, here is the it could explore the research and landscape of smart transportation system, including intelligent traffic management. I think today in urban cities and metropolitan cities, they are effectively implemented smart transportation systems. That is because of here is including traffic management. That is very important here. Vehicle to everything communication, V2X. That is vehicle to everything communication and autonomous vehicle integration. This review would provide insights into the current technology and implementation challenges and research gaps. Today, if you cross the signal anywhere in the cities, you could get the message into your mobile. Yes, you have crossed the system, including with photo, and you pay for you get the fine for your crossing the boundaries of the road or crossing the signals. So how this technology is improved today? But you assume 20 years back, 15 years back, what is the technology? Where they are used? No. But today, even though something has happened, still the traffic management is very poor. But people are not worried about this. But that is very important. Still in future, there are many things coming to the picture to streamline the system. I think in a Saudi Arabia or in a Dubai, some countries, these traffic management system is very effective. Their research inputs are very, very effective, and they should not cross even limits. I went Dubai in the last year for one conference in BITS Plan in Dubai. I saw in the many places because it's a very systematic. The traffic rules. I don't know about others. Yeah, is urban flood management again is this scoping review to assess the range of strategies and the technology used in urban flood management, such as green infrastructure, stormwater management systems, and flood modeling techniques. So this review would help identify the breadth of approaches and areas for future research. Yes, still, and is a very good research scope for the civil engineering in this area. Yeah, mechanical engineering, this is advanced manufacturing technologies. Yes, this could be cover the development and application of advanced manufacturing technologies like additive manufacturing, laser machining, and nano manufacturing. Yes, all these things are, but is a preliminary review for all these things to do the effective research in the long run. Effective research in the long run. That's what this review is very, very important. Scoping review is very, very
Can
important.
you show the previous slide, sir? That is scoping review. The first one is structural engineering.
Yes.
Just the second one, first one is structural engineering. Second one,
Civil engineering. That is the smart transportation systems and urban flood management.
okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. And third one is the mechanical engineering. That is the
Yes,
advanced technology like additive manufacturing, laser machining, and nano manufacturing. This is a very important review to upcoming ways really today. So you know, and nano robo, the people are designed today that could be enter into your body and kill the excess fat which is close to around your heart, that can be getting cleaning. The nano robo is there pushed into your body and clean all the walls or burning the excessive fat in the nervous system. Yes, that is a wonderful technology, but yeah, so the research is effectively utilized now. Laser machining, yes, you can join, you can cutting with the laser effective and many things because of high strength alloys also. With the high accuracy, we can cut it using laser machining process. And this research is very much needed to the people today. Heat transfer innovations. And this is the to explore recent innovations in heat transfer technologies or novel materials, enhanced heat exchangers, and cooling systems. So this is a very, very cooling system, heat exchanger system, and novel metals for low heat materials And in the winter season and high heat materials, you can design any system whatever you want. In other countries, they are using air conditioning devices, heaters they design for cool countries. So a lot of research in the heat transfer applications also, and electrical engineering, again renewable energy integration and wireless power transfer. So this is the scoping review could investigate the research on integrating renewable energy sources into power grids. Here I could tell you one example here for the literature people, English people. You can write the beautiful article when you convert the technology or integrate the technology, renewable energy sources into power grids. How you can write the story about these integration of technologies, how the people could affect it. Forget about the results.
Yes, sir.
How the people can utilize this, the effect of this. You can write the beautiful article about this if you know something about the process about this. And you can
Yes,
also
sir.
collaborate with the electrical people or mechanical people who working on the energy integration or renewable energy sources. You integrate with them and write a beautiful review article on this. Or
Yes, sir.
magazine you can publish in this, right? So covering topics such as energy storage solutions, grid management technologies. Yes, this is the business people, MBA people can concentrate here, and smart grid systems. So all these systems are very, very effective, and this scoping review is very important on each and every technology. The preliminary is very important to do the higher end research activities. And wireless power transfer. Researchers might use a scoping review to explore various methods of wireless power transfer, such as inductive coupling, resonant transfer, microwave transmission. This review would summarize the state of the art application and research gaps. And one thing I could, I read one article, whether it is possible or not, I don't know. This is now today in India, we are transmit the power through copper wires, the electrical wires, conductive materials. But in the future, we don't know, is a wireless power transmission, transfer the power system. Maybe we are using a high battery in every house. They could arise the power transmission. Your own generate the power, maybe with the solar or maybe with the another battery storage or energy storage devices. We don't know technology. Today we are using electrical poles. This could be after 10 years or 20 years. Maybe this is a disappeared. We don't know, because the latest innovations are coming to if the people are in some countries, I read one article regarding this. Yes, they are doing wireless power system, power distribution. I think, I don't know whether it is possible or not, or maybe used in some countries. I don't know exactly. Yeah. So environmental engineering, air pollution control technologies. Yes, this is a very important idea about air pollution control technologies. Idea about including scrubbers and catalytic converters and advanced filters. Yes, a review must be very, very important on these areas to do the further research activities. Yes, water purification methods, already I told, but scoping review is also, the preliminary results also very, very important here. So researchers might scoping review to assess the different water pollution methods available, such as membrane technologies, adsorption processes, and advanced oxidation processes. Yes, dear friends, all this, we must have some idea about this. These all the technologies, all the processes. This review would provide you an overview of the technologies and highlight your research opportunities. This could be helpful. Scoping review could help to identify the research gaps After from some testing some preliminary results and compare with the existing results, then only you could identify the research gaps. This is a very important research review, could help to write the objectives of your research title or to identify the research gaps. So then sixth one is the aerospace engineering. Yes, spacecraft propulsion systems and space habitat design. This is the space vehicle is also chemical rockets, electric propulsion, nuclear thermal propulsion. These all those things are very, very important and highly ended research activities for the space or the aerospace engineering application. But we also have some preliminary reviews on this. Who start this research on this area? Then next is the space habitat design. Yes, researchers might conduct a scoping review to investigate the research on space habitat design, covering aspects such as life support systems, habitat modularity, and radiation protection. This is also, you could have a review on this. Yeah, fifth one is the critical review. Yes, this is the very important for the quality of your research, relevance of your research, contributions of the literature is, and also often highlighting the methodology issues and theoretical gaps. Yes, this is very, very important. More weightage for your research to do the critical review on the your research activities. Dear friends, the purpose of the critical review is to provide a critical perspective on the existing research, identifying strengths, weaknesses, and areas for further investigation. Yes, my dear students, yeah, this is very, very effective critical review to do the critical review on the various aspects for quality and relevance to your research activities. That's review is very, very important. And now I stop this today class and open for discussion now. Yeah, you please ask the questions now. Yeah.
Sir,
I request.
this is me, Suraj from Nepal, and I'm a cognitive science scholar, sir. My question is, how many classes you will conduct for us to as a research methodology, sir?
I think another 4 or 5 classes to only about the basic unit I will cover. I'm not into the deeper research activities. This is only I covered all the basic. First unit is only the preliminary aspects only I discussed. But maybe you can use these results in the further units also. Maybe useful for another units also. We covered little bit, but we are not into the deep. I only define just only like your idea about this for all the.
Sir, can you please share these entire notes?
Definitely, definitely.
So because I'm a developer, I don't have a time to prepare a notes. Actually, my office timing is 10 to 6:30. So daily I'm facing a little bit problem to attend the class. That's why I'm asking to share the entire notes. Whenever I get the free time, I'll prepare the notes.
Yeah, this is dear friend, actually, that is not the correct, but you attend the classes so that you will get the more clarity, because not only that, we will discuss more examples, not only in the whatever the material we have.
Sir, daily
More
I'm
than that
attending the
also we
class in
discuss
the
in the
journey
class.
only, sir. In the journey, I'm attending the class.
Yeah, that is you adjust the time according to that, because this is a psychological course. PhD is nothing but a psychological course. Definitely could find some time, some space from your work activities to do your research. Otherwise, you can't. It is very difficult for you to complete the research within the time.
Okay, sir.
Could you please send the PPT as early as possible?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam, please.
Sir, I have one questions.
Yeah,
Even
please.
now, I cannot relate the systematic review and meta-analysis with my subjects, cognitive science. Could you please link this sub point and cognitive science? How can I formulate the sub point for the cognitive science or social science, sir? I could not. I'm not able to join link this meta-analysis and systematic review with my subjects. Please, sir, could you explain, sir?
Uma madam,
Yes, sir,
really
please.
thanks to your area, because that is very important today. Environment, cognitive science is very, very important and a highly influenced course. And it is useful for everybody, cognitive is. So in every aspect, in every engineering aspects, you could design one cognitive skills for every research, because cognitive generally applicable for psychological aspects, but research itself is a psychological course. Lot of changes have happened. Correct? Do you understand my logic?
No, sir. I expecting more clarification and link with social science, sir. Please.
That's what, madam. Every technology connected with social impact.
Yes, sir. Definitely, it is related to society and it's helpful for society. But I am concerning that, sir, like a meta-analysis, you have mentioned the sub-points like structural engineering, civil engineering, and mechanical engineering. Like that, what kinds of subtopics I have to choose for the social science, sir?
Why not, madam? Why not, madam? See, water treatment is not for the social impact.
No, I could not. I could not explain my problem maybe properly, but I want to mention another systematic.
You can yes. Yes,
Yes,
the
sir,
meta-analysis for your cognitive applications also there. There are many examples. Mental health conditions.
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Mental health conditions, that example you take it.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Mental health problems. I can mention in meta-analysis, or I want to meta-analysis related to mental health problems.
Yes.
So, what kinds of literature review I need to do during that activity, sir?
Yeah, that's what for the effective to reduce the system on the mental health conditions of the people. Then you have to do the meta-analysis review. They did a lot of statistical data is given to many people.
Okay,
before
sir.
that, you could suggest to somebody based on the results, existing results.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, madam.
Sir, actually, Balaji sir told us that in final exam, scenario-based question will come. So, can you give us the scenario-based question from Unit 1?
Definitely, I could design. I thought that 5 questions I want to design and give it to you. 5 questions from the Unit 1.
Yeah.
But only one or two one question maybe in the external examination is appeared. Out of 5, you may be prepared for the 5. I will give that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Because we are not aware what type of questions, though it's a scenario based, how the pattern would be, we are not aware of that. So if you're giving these 5 questions, definitely that would be very much helpful for us.
Definitely, madam. I will design and give it to you. Questions along with this material. I
But
will
see
give
that
material as well as the question pattern also I will give.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, it kindly see that it reaches us, sir, because I don't know, maybe some things.
One by one, please. Yeah.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, is there any book to study this research methodologies, sir?
Any?
Is there any book to study the research methodology, sir?
Group means
Group is the
Recommended books, sir.
recommended textbooks.
Textbooks.
Oh, no, not groups. Books. Okay. Yes. Yeah. There are in a library. I think I found 4 or 5 books on research methodologies.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Tomorrow do you have class work?
Tomorrow
class unda?
Yeah. Tomorrow at 6:30
Independence Day, sir.
Sir, August 15th, sir.
Tomorrow same time classes. The same time.
Independence Day, sir.
Advance
Sir,
Independence
flag
Day
hosting in
wishes,
the
sir.
morning only.
Sir, academic calendar, it's a holiday tomorrow.
In the academic calendar.
Okay. Then you are not showing interest. You are not showing interest in my class.
It's not like that, sir. Advanced Happy Independence Day, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And you are not showing interest to attend my class tomorrow.
No, sir. Just it's
like
also
that,
in
sir.
home, sir. That's why.
Do you have class work?
Very disturbing.
Yeah. Okay, madam. Tomorrow there
Sir,
is no
tomorrow same time we have class, right?
no class tomorrow.
No class.
No
Sir,
class tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Evening, sir.
Only
Shanti.
Happy Independence Day in advance.
Sir, happy Independence Day, sir.
Thank you all.
Happy
Thank you.
Independence Day, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam.
Good evening.
Good evening. Yeah,
Yes,
please.
Prashanti, sir. Actually, the reason behind why we asked the holiday tomorrow is if you can send a note so that we can revise everything, whatever you have, whatever the notes we have missed, we can fill it the notes, sir.
Definitely,
Yes, sir,
madam.
exactly.
Sir, thank you.
Prashant, madam, definitely. Don't worry. I will do.
My side. Yeah, sir. Because even college is a holiday, so that we can have some time, so that we can spend some time on that and we can revise everything, sir. That's the reason I asked the notes. Of the
Definitely, madam. Prashant, madam, I will share with you. Yeah, don't worry. So I will design some questions also.
Yes, sir.
Question patterns. I will give 5 questions from this unit.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Share the notes.
Sir, we have our official mail ID, sir. You can share in the car. You can.
Sir, you can share the
WhatsApp.
notes in, through WhatsApp.
Through WhatsApp, sir.
Sir, in the WhatsApp link, sir. Official
Yeah.
mail ID,
Through
some
WhatsApp.
of them is not working. So please share it, ask them to share it in the WhatsApp, respective WhatsApp group, sir.
See, after. Yeah. Okay, definitely. I will give my mail ID.
Different departments, because the official mail ID of some of them are not yet activated or it's not working properly. So if we get through WhatsApp, it would be of great help, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So. Yeah, thank you. Any questions?
No
Any more
questions.
questions?
No, sir, no.
Thank you.
I have one question.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you,
getting
thank you.
here. My course or not, I don't know really.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you please check your WhatsApp my mail ID.
Sir, what about PPT?
Yeah, definitely, madam. I can share. Don't.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Post your mail ID also. Post your mail ID also, sir.
Just now I posted in the group our WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you.